Hey everyone, my name's Tristan. I'm the head creative at The Project. We're an application development company making games and business apps for iOS and Android, phones and tablets. We also do graphic design, web design, and everything else in that market. This is first in our video tutorial series. We're going to show you how to make a video tutorial for free using built-in software that comes in Mac OS X. And also you can download it for free from Apple if you're running Windows. What we're looking for is the QuickTime player, believe it or not. This is QuickTime 10. We can't use any previous versions to do this, so just make sure you have the latest software installed. To check if you do have it, you can find it using Finder, and just go to your applications, and you'll find it right here. And you can also use your Launchpad, which I love this little tool, and you'll see the icon right here for QuickTime Player. So I already have it running because what better way to make a tutorial on how to use it than using it right now. So right up top here, when you first open it, you go to File, and down here the third option, New Screen Recording. Yours will be bold if you're not running one already. Mine's grayed out because I am running it. What you probably don't see right now is a little box right here. It's a very simple box with a record button about here, volume selection for how loud you're going to sound. You don't want it too loud, especially if you're using the built-in microphone, because you'll get a lot of reverb. You'll see the time elapsed in your video and the file size that you're currently making. You should be able to see this little gray option menu, however. It shows what you want to use for a microphone. If you don't want to have any audio, select none. If you have an external microphone you'd like to plug in and use, or a headset, use line in. Or you can, if you have an iMac that has an internal mic like me, that's what I'm using right now, hence the check. Quality, this is more a file size thing. There's not a huge difference in between the two. So this tutorial is not going to be that long, so I don't mind running it on high. But at 2 minutes and 25 seconds, I'm at 45 megs. So if you're making a longer tutorial or a longer screencast, you might want to use the medium just to help on the file size. And also, you don't have to do a full screen. You can click and drag to select an area of the screen you plan on recording. That also helps on the file size. And right here, you also can show mouse clicks and recording. That's helpful if you're doing a tutorial, or maybe you're sending somebody a screencast to try and help troubleshoot things. So it might be handy to have on, which I do. So, like I said, I'm not sure if you can see this little box or not, but if you do, the same button for record is the same button as stop. You simply hit that. It'll bring up a preview of the video that you just made. You watch that, close it out, and it'll give you the option to save it anywhere you want and call it what you want. So that's basically it. It's very easy. Again, we're using QuickTime Player 10, which should be free software downloadable from Apple. The tutorial should work for Windows users as well. Things might be a little different. And maybe we'll have to try that over on our PCs in the studio and see if we can make one for that as well. But thanks for dropping by. Any questions, send me a message, or check us out on the web at www.theprojectllc.net, or on Facebook. Just look us up as The Project LLC. Thanks again for stopping by, and good luck.